Most exercise balls look identical until one slips mid-workout or loses air overnight. The right one stays firm, grips the floor, and supports your body safely through every rep. In this best product ranking, we're counting down the best exercise balls, so you choose one that actually holds up. If you're testing the waters and want maximum strength, the Yottoy exercise ball makes a bold first impression. With a thick 2.8mm anti-burst design and a claimed 2,000-pound capacity, it feels extremely solid when inflated properly. The textured anti-slip surface gives good grip during sweaty sessions, and the honeycomb structure ensures slow deflation if punctured. It works well for yoga, core work, balance training, or even as an office chair. The included foot pump makes setup quick and less tiring than small hand pumps. Its biggest strength is durability. It feels built for heavy use and maintains shape well. The anti-slip texture also inspires confidence during planks or bridges. However, the thicker material makes initial inflation take a bit longer, and the surface texture can feel slightly firm for extended sitting. Still, for stability and peace of mind, it delivers. Climbing a step higher, the Gruper exercise ball focuses on balanced safety and everyday usability. The 2mm PVC wall with anti-burst honeycomb construction supports up to 300 pounds and feels dependable for home workouts. The anti-slip finish grips well on smooth indoor floors, and it's BPA-free, which is reassuring for skin contact. I also appreciate the complete kit: foot pump, extra plugs, plug remover, and even a workout guide, so you're not hunting for accessories. The strength here is its well-rounded design, safe, grippy, and easy to set up. It's especially good for beginners building core strength. On the downside, it doesn't have the extreme weight rating of heavier-duty models, and the surface, while durable, isn't the thickest in this lineup. For most home users, though, it's more than enough. Now we're entering versatile daily use territory with the Trideer exercise ball. This one feels particularly comfortable for active sitting. The PVC build supports up to 440 pounds and maintains shape well over time. It performs smoothly for yoga, Pilates, stretching, and posture work. I like the softer aesthetic color options. It blends into a home office without screaming gym equipment. The anti-burst design provides gradual air release if damaged, which adds confidence during dynamic movements. Its standout strength is comfort during long sitting sessions and pregnancy use. It encourages better posture naturally. However, it's slightly more sensitive to sharp surfaces, so placement matters. And while durable, it's not the thickest wall in this group. Still, for multi-purpose home and office use, it feels thoughtfully designed. Things get sharper here with the Core Balance exercise ball. Offering multiple size options from 55 to 85 centimeters, it's easier to match your height correctly. The included pump and measuring tape help you inflate it precisely, which actually makes a difference in posture and exercise effectiveness. The anti-burst PVC material feels sturdy, and the textured anti-slip lines grip smooth flooring well. For crunches, bridges, and dumbbell work, it adds that perfect instability to activate deep core muscles. Its biggest strength is sizing precision and overall versatility. It adapts easily from workouts to desk sitting to prenatal exercises. The surface grip is reliable, though slightly less textured than some competitors. And while durable, it's designed more for balanced training than extremely heavy loads. Still, it hits a sweet spot between comfort and performance. At the top of this list, the ProBody Pilates exercise ball stands out for its blend of safety, sizing, flexibility, and material quality. Available in 5 sizes, from 45 to 85 centimeters, it's easy to dial in the perfect fit. The anti-burst PVC construction supports well over 330 pounds and feels stable during demanding core sessions. The slip-resistant exterior holds firm during planks and wall squats, and the low-odor material makes it comfortable for close contact. Setup is simple with the included pump and accessories. The standout here is consistency. It feels balanced, stable, and comfortable across workouts and daily sitting. It's not the absolute highest weight rating available, but it offers dependable real-world strength. Overall, it delivers the most refined experience in this group. If I had to recommend just one for most people, I'd choose the ProBody Pilates exercise ball. It offers the best mix of safety, sizing options, grip, and everyday usability. It works equally well for workouts, posture correction, and pregnancy support without feeling overly specialized. That said, if maximum heavy-duty capacity is your priority, another option might suit you better. Now tell me, are you using your exercise ball for workouts, posture, or both? Drop your pick in the comments, hit like if this helped, and subscribe to Best Product for more smart rankings. You'll find all the purchase links waiting in the description.